daw. Kaya alisin mo yung pink ano.
Math.
Ha?
Alisin mo yung math mo.
Alisin mo na para medyo malakas. Okay,
So-
go.
So, good afternoon, everyone. If you want to know, just sit and listen carefully. May I have your attention now? By the way, again, good afternoon, everyone. I want to introduce myself. My name is Arota, and my partner is Mark J. Alano. Our discussion for today is disorder of the nervous system. So, do you have any idea what is disorder? What is the examples of disorder of the nervous system?
No.
What? Huh? So, let's start our discussion. I give you top 5 of disorder of the nervous system, such as headache, stroke, seizure, Parkinson's disease, and dementia. So first, let's talk about headache. So headache disorder, which characterized by recurrent headache, are associated with personal and social burdens of personal and social burdens of pain, disabilities, damage of equality, and financial costs. The second term of headache can also because by occur secondarily to the long list of other conditions. The most common of headache is medication overuse headache. This is the 4 types of headache, such as migraine, tension, cluster, and sinus. So, migraine headaches is moderate or severe headache. Severe headache or moderate headache. Felt as an troubling pain in one side of our head. This is the example of migraine. Pain, usual, and visual change are typical of classic form. There is a 3 types of migraine, such as hemiplegic, oxypalgic, or silent migraine with brainstem aura, or basilar type of migraine. So, what is hemiplegic migraine? Hemiplegic migraine this is the rare subtype of migraine with aura characterized by the presence of motor weakness. As an aura, magnification of time migration attack. And for oxyplegic or silent migraine, the people experience the symptoms of oxyplegic migraine is dizziness, nausea, and sensitive to light and sound. For migraine with brainstem aura, this is uncommon form of migraine which with aura characterized by brainstem such as dysarthria, vertigo, or ataxia without evidence of motor weakness. So, let's proceed to tension headache. Tension headache, this is occur when neck and scalp muscle become tense or contract. This is the example of tension. Pain is like a band squishing the head. There are also 2 types of tension, such as episodic tension headache and chronic tension headache. Let's proceed for the third headache, such as cluster headache. Cluster headache is excruciating attack of pain pain in one side of our head around the eye. This is the example of cluster. Pain is in and around one eye. Let's proceed to sinus headache. Sinus is air-filled space inside your forehead, cheekbone, and behind the bridge of your nose. This is the example of class sinus headache. So pain is behind brown bone and arc cheekbone. And sinus headache, the build of pressure in sinus causes pain and feels like an headache. The pain is usually gets stronger when you move your head suddenly or straight. Let's proceed for the second topic is stroke. Sometimes they call a brain attack. Occurs when something blocks blood to supply the part of brain or when blood vessels in the brain burst. This is the three types of stroke attack: ischemic stroke, hemorrhagic stroke, transient or ischemic attack. First is discussion is about ischemic stroke. This is the most common type of stroke because it happens when the brain, this is the picture that see in ischemic stroke. It happens when the brain blood vessels become narrowed or blocked, cause separated blood, reduce blood flow. For hemorrhagic stroke naman, it occurs when the blood vessel the brain leak or ruptured. So, a less common cause the blooding in the brain is rupture as an irregular tunger or thin wild blood vessel. For transient ischemic, for short is TIA, is caused by temporary decrease and blood supply to a part of brain, which may last as little as 5 minutes. So, at least transient is just like an ischemic. Ischemic stroke occurs when a clot and debris reduce or block flow to a part of the nervous system. This is the signs and symptoms of stroke, such as trouble in speaking and understanding what others saying, paralyzed or numbness in the part of the body, headache, and trouble walking. And for the third topic is about seizure. This is suddenly uncontrolled burst of electrical activity in the brain. It can cause behavior, movement, feeling, and level of consciousness. Seizures are often treatable especially defined depending on the underlying causes. This is a type of seizure: tonic, atonic, myoclonic, and clonic. For tonic is muscle in the body become stiff, and for atonic is muscle in the body become relaxed. Muscle in the body relax. For myoclonic, sharp jerk in the part of the body, and for clonic is the period of shaking or jerking part of the body. So let's proceed for the fourth topic is about Parkinson's disease. This is the brain disorder that causes untended, uncontrollable movements such as shaking, stiffness, and difficulty with balance and coordination. So, this is the symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Nakikita naman natin na in this picture, we saw the signs and the symptoms of Parkinson's disease, such as tremor, rigid muscle, impaired posture and balance, and slow movement or brophokinesia. What is the cause of Parkinson's disease? Parkinson's disease at certain nerve cells or neuron and the brain gradually break down or die. Food doesn't take effect. The risk of developing Parkinson's disease naturally increase with age of 60 years old. So, that is it, the Parkinson's disease. Let's proceed for the last is dementia. Dementia is the impaired ability of remember, think, or like a decision that interferes with doing everything. Dementia is just like Alzheimer's. This is the cause of dementia, such as memory, perception, reasoning, attention, concentration, language, judgment, and thinking. What is the cause of dementia? Dementia is caused by damage to brain cells. This damage interferes with the ability in brain cells to communicate with each other. And that's all.